The blind spot view monitor in your 2022-2023 Kia Carnival shows live video of blind spots on the touchscreen when the turn signal activates. To turn BVM on or off, start your vehicle and access the settings menu on the 12.3-inch touchscreen display. Navigate to Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, and finally, Blind Spot View Monitor. Toggle the switch to on or off. The system defaults to on but can be disabled. You can also manually activate BVM by pressing the dedicated BVM button on the steering wheel or dashboard. BVM activates automatically above 15 miles per hour when the turn signal is used, projecting the camera feed onto the touchscreen. To maximize the effectiveness of your blind spot view monitor, regularly clean the camera lenses to ensure clear visuals, especially in poor weather conditions. Always use BVM in conjunction with your side mirrors and blind spot monitoring (BSM) alerts. It's designed as a visual aid, not a replacement for vigilant driving. BVM is rated as a Level 1 ADAS feature, so avoid over-reliance, especially in challenging conditions like heavy rain or fog, where visibility can be reduced. A 2024 Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (IIHS) study found that Kia Carnival owners with active BVM reported 15% fewer lane change-related incidents. By keeping the lenses clean and using BVM as a supplemental tool, you enhance its performance and your overall driving safety.